I need to know how to fix a Frigidaire dehumidifier.
Make sure it is plugged in and turned on.
I put that in the category of common sense.
There are a surprising number of HVAC calls because someone turned down the thermostat, but forgot to switch from heat to AC.
It turns on, so that's not the issue, and it is not an intermittent electrical bug.
Take the panel off the dehumidifier and look for ice. If there's ice on it, it obviously is not going to take more water out of the air.
How do I fix that?
If it has ice on it, you can run it as a fan only to dry it out, taking care not to overflow the water container. Or break out a hair dryer.
I need to check the water container, then. It has a bucket full indicator and should turn off when the bucket is full.
Yeah, it'll stop running when the water container is full.
What if that's not the cause?
Check the air filter. If that's clogged with dirt, the unit works hard to get any air in and traps moisture around the dehumidifier.
That's like my AC.
Check the overflow cutoff switch. If the power meter shows that it has no continuity, you need to replace the switch to get the unit to work.
The unit is working electrically, it just is not dehumidifying.
Take apart the dehumidifier and clean the coils, since a lot of dust on them will impede their efficiency. That's especially likely as the root cause if the air filter is the same color as the basement floor.
Dusting the dehumidifier has never been on my to-do list.
You should check the dehumidifier's settings. If you turned it on but not to a level below the current humidity, it is like turning on an AC when it is 60 outside, unnecessary.
The humidity level in the basement is somewhere around Louisiana bog level.
So test the humidistat with a voltometer. If that's not working, it won't recognize that it needs to be one.
That's a part one can probably find online to replace in the humidifier.
Frigidaire dehumidifiers are prone to fan motor failures, but you can tell that something's wrong when the unit is too quiet. The compressors tend to die, but you can tell if that's it as it knocks along until falling silent.
That's not what I wanted to hear.
The bad part is Frigidaire's history of saying the unit is unserviceable, so they won't repair it under the warranty. And they may give you a 50% off rebate toward buying a new one.
That's one way to fix it.